Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a place you visited where the air was polluted.
Well, air pollution is a major problem nowadays, and it is difficult to find a place where air was not polluted. Here, I would like to talk about the place that is a cricket ground. It is actually located near to my hometown, and it is a city level cricket ground in my town. Last week, when I have a get together with my friends in the marriage ceremony of my friends, who is residence near to my home, and after marriage ceremony, we decided to play a friendly cricket match between among them, and that's why I am going to cricket ground and during playing the match, I saw the air was very polluted in the cricket ground, and the many reasons of the air pollutions in the cricket ground. Here I would like to talk about only two reasons. Firstly, the rough surface of the cricket ground is main reason. When we play the cricket and the dust mix into the air, and air was polluted. And secondly, the colony who thrown the garbage near the stadium.
Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's okay. Instead of going into the reasons in detail, just try to summarize your ideas there. Mainly, you are mixing tenses and you have issues with your sentence structure. So, I would advise you to learn 12 tenses. Out of those 12 tenses, you can focus 5 tenses and then helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, because you are having such type of mistakes. Okay, let's move on. Why do you think there is more pollution in the cities as compared to countryside?
Yes, in city air pollution is more because from countryside, because many reasons. In the city, the more population and more people are lived in this city, and it is not manageable, their traffics and their resources, and the many causes of the air
Okay, do
pollution.
you think aeroplanes cause noise pollution in your hometown?
No, my hometown is far from the airport, and there is no air pollution affected the aeroplanes. So that's why I feel that it's not harmful for my.
All right. Overall, your ideas are good, but your language is weak. So when you try to express yourself, there are many mistakes. Try to overcome these things. Okay. Learn basic tenses. Thank you.